Welcome to our channel. Here's a 7-day smoothie weight loss diet plan that you can follow. These smoothies are designed to be nutritious and low in calories to support your weight loss goals. Remember to combine this diet plan with a balanced diet and regular exercise for the best results. Today, 1 green detox smoothie. Greasings, 1 cup of spinach and a half, cucumber and half, lemon juiced or half, green apple a cup of water. Day 2, berry blast smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup of mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and a half cup of Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon of honey actual, a half cup of water. Day 3, tropical paradise smoothie. Ingredients: and a half cup of pineapple fascio, banana and a half, orange juiced and a half cup of coconut water. Day 4, protein power smoothie. Ingredients: 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder, 1 tablespoon of almond butter and a half banana, 1 cup of almond milk. Day 5, creamy avocado delight. Ingredients: and a half to avocado and a half cup of spinach and a cup of Greek yogurt and a half cup of water. Day 6, citrus refresher smoothie. Ingredients: and a half grapefruit, chewy a half, lemon juiced, on half orange juiced, and a half cup water. Day 7, blueberry almond bliss. Ingredients: 1 cup of blueberries, 1 tablespoon of almond butter and a half cup of almond milk, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds optional. Tips for success: use unsweetened ingredients to keep the calorie count low. Add ice to your smoothies for a refreshing taste. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Consult with a healthcare professional before starting any weight loss plan, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Ready to kickstart your weight loss journey with delicious smoothies? Click the link below to learn more about the Smoothie Diet program and start your transformation today. Smoothie Diet, your path to a healthier, happier you begins here. Download now from official website. Check the link in description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.